Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lolly, and today's video is kind of different from mine, makeup video or whatever. So yeah, so I just want to take you guys with this nail vlog kind of journey with me, because I'm gonna be starting as a nail technician, and I applied for this one school in Charlotte. And today I just went and did my deposit and all that, and I received my nail kit on the first day when I did my deposit, which is really amazing thing. Man, don't mind my nails, I just took them off. Like, I bit them off, which is not something you should do. You know, never do that. That's really bad for your nails. But I still do it, but still don't do it. So I got my nail kit today, and I just want to show you guys everything that I received. So if you guys want to know what I got, then just stay tuned. The first two things that I got are like books. So the first one is the study guide, and we have the salon fundamental nails, and it looks like this. This is just your, the usual study guide that you need to know. It tells you everything, and I don't even know some of these, but I got to study. And the next one is the same thing, but it's the textbooks. So basically you just read, like the chapters and all that, or the units. And I already have a homework. I don't start until Tuesday on October 22nd. And she did a little bookmark, so I don't know where to study. So she told me to study about the infections and bacteria and all that, so when I get there on my first day I kind of get like a gist of what we're learning or whatever. So that's really great, and I'm really thankful for that. So I don't know which one to start off, so I think I'm just starting with the one that's not all tied up and everything, because I feel like the one that's tied up is more I don't know how to say it, more So the first thing that I have is this manicure professional bow, and it's pink, which is pretty. I like the color. So basically you just let your hands soak in there, like this. Well, not like that, but in this direction, just let it soak in, and you get the gist. The next thing that we have is this large cosmetic PVC bag, and it looks like this, and I guess this is when you put your nail stuff, or everything that comes in the kit, and this little bag right here. The next thing I see is this Young Nail Synergy Gel Trial Kit. So you get 6 1/4 ounce gel, and you get 1/4 ounce finished gel, and a 1/4 ounce protein bond, and it looks like this. So my my teacher actually went in and she put some labels on it. So she put 2A on this one. I don't know what 2A means. I guess it's just different color or whatever. But she just put some letters and numbers on it, and then you also get these right here. This is your protein bond, and then this one on here is your finished gel. So a top coat, but gel version. I don't know. It's not focusing, but that's how it looks like. So the Syner gels, they look like this. They come in little cute packaging. Well, it's not, I wouldn't say it's cute, but it's basic, but it's kind of cute because it's tiny. So trial size kit. The next thing we have is an Annie practice hand, and it looks like this. And I don't really like these kind of hands. I prefer the ones that you can actually bend the fingers like an actual hand, but I'll just wait until I order that one, and then I'll just try to see if I can do that at the school. But this is, the hand feels really weird. It has a weird smell. Don't mind me, but it smells really weird. But this is how the hand looks like. So the next thing that I see is this mini drill file kind of thing, and I actually have one of these, and I used one. Mine's, well, it's like this, but mine's just pink, and I actually use this to do my nails. Also comes with a extended cord. So then we have the nail bits and all that, or drills, whatever you call these. So we have this one where you put the little sanding bands on it, and then you can file down your natural nail, not all the way, but lightly. Then we have these two to file your acrylics. Then we also have these for your cuticles and under your nail. Next thing that we have is a rubber grip cuticle pusher and spoon nail cleaner, and I actually never seen one of these. I don't know what these are for, but next we have this DL Professional Gel Nail Brush in the number 8. It looks like this, and it's the brand DL, I guess, but it just comes in this little tube, and you can actually pop up the tube if I can take it out. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like this. Kind of looks like, I think this is for like the stylish gel, whatever, you know. Next we have this little practice finger, and it looks like this. The nail right here actually looks like, you know, my pinky, so I don't know how you're supposed to work with this, but you know, we'll learn it in school. I just have like a white nail polish, and then I have this Nana Cocoa nail polish in the shade You're My Sunshine, and it looks like this. Then I have this Nana Cocoa nail polish in the shade it's not in the shade, but it's a top coat shade. I don't know why. Okay, this is weird. I have like a little thing right here, and it kind of, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a mode or what, but it looks kind of weird, so I'm gonna let my teacher know. And then I have a Nana Cocoa nail polish base coat, and it looks like this. Then we just have like a lanyard, you know, for our name, or like the name tag kind of thing, so that's that. Then we have a little pedicure brush. The next thing I see is a DL Professional 240 nail file, like this. And this is the Online Extra Coarse nail file, and I don't know if the rest are extra coarse too because they're just all white, so I'm not sure about this. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 Cuticle Pushers, and these are the wooden ones. We have this side, and we also have the other side, so I guess we can just cut it in half or break it in half and then use it, you know, on our clients. The next thing that I see is a Cuticle Nipper, and they're by Almine, and they look like this. The next thing I see is this DL Professional brush, and if you look at it, it actually looks like an eyeshadow brush or like a concealer brush, but I'm pretty sure this is like to clean up your nails if you put polish on them, because I would use this for like nail polish, you know, like to remove them, so I guess that's what it's for. I don't know. What I see is a straight edge nail clipper, and I actually love straight edge because they make things much more easier. So like you can just, you know, cut it straight ahead and sidewall to sidewall without like struggling, because I don't like the one that curves like that because it's so hard to use, and I don't really like using scissors because of like, I don't feel safe or comfortable using the scissors, you know, I feel like I might cut somebody's hands or fingers. The next thing that I see is a cute small dapping dish, and it looks like this. And then the next thing that I see is this DL Professional nail glue. So that is everything for the first bag, so let's move on to the next bag. For the second bag, it comes in this little thing, and all of these products, I believe they're by Young Nail, because I only see Young Nail. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just a Young Nail, so I guess we were like sponsor or like whatever, or partner with Young Nails. So yeah, and I heard that Young Nails is a really great product company brand or whatever, so let's dive into it. What we have are these Young Nail clear tips, and they look like this. And I actually have some clear tips myself, but I don't know if these are like the hard sturdy ones, because I have mine's, they're really like hard, so I'm not sure about these. I'm gonna try it, see if they're hard and sturdy. Yeah, they're really like strong and sturdy like mine's too, so they're okay. The next thing we have is this Young Nail natural nail tips, and they look like this. Next we have this Young Nail foils, and I don't know how many is in here, but you know, we have nail foils in here. Oh, nail forms, not foils. I meant to say nail forms. Next thing that I have is this Young Nail swipe, and I'm pretty sure this is like, what is this? This is a specially formulated to cleanse the nail plate and work as pre-prep by both dehydrating and cleansing. So it dehydrates and cleanses your nails. So this is how it looks like, the packaging. And I'm gonna open it up to show you guys what it looks like. So it comes in with like a little it comes with this little pump, and then it also comes in with like a bottle, and this is how the bottle looks like. Next we have these Young Nails 180 nail files, and also I guess 240 nail file, because if this side this is 180 and if you turn this side it says it's 240, so I'm pretty sure it's 240, 180. The next thing that I see is Young Nails nail liquid, and this is monomer, of course. This is how it looks like. Then we get another dabbing dish. Next thing we have is more monomer from Young Nails. Next we have this Young Nail Artistic Sculptor brush, and I don't know what number this is, but this is like a really, I guess, a good size brush for doing nails, because mine's I have the number, I think pretty sure the number 9, but it's like a little bit too big and fluffy. So this one is like more precise and like compact, so this is what I like about it. I was trying to get one, but I never had the chance to go and buy me one. So next thing we have is a pipette. I think this is like for the liquid monomer, you know. And then we also have a Young Nail Ultimate Finish Gel, and it looks like this. Then we have another Pedicure boy. Next thing we have is a Pedicure brush again, and then the next thing we have is a Young Nail brush on glue, and this is 1/2 ounce. The next thing we have is this Young Nail Protein Bond. It looks like this. It's really cute. Next thing we have is this little dropper kind of thing, and I'm pretty sure that is for this right here, which is the Young Nail Rose Oil, and you can see like there's a rose inside, well, on the bottom there's a rose inside, and this is, I don't know what this is for. I think this is like cuticle oil kind of thing, I don't know, pretty sure. Next we have 3 Young Nail powders. They're 45 grams, and so we have Speed Clear, Cover Pink, and we also have Speed White, and they all look like this. Lastly, we have these 4 Young Nail nail glitter art kind of thing. So we have one in the shade Surprise Block Party, and it's really pretty. It's like I don't know if this is red or pink. I'm pretty sure it's like a pinkish red kind of color. But yeah, it's really pretty. And then the next one that we have is Pool Block Party, and it's like a dark kind of baby blue color glitter. And I'm pretty sure that we're going to use those to do like encapsulations. And then we also have Rave Block Party, and this is like a green emerald color. So lastly we have the shade called Mixer Block Party, and this is more of like, it's like the shade of Rave Block Party, but it's like a little bit more darker and more vibrant, and this is how the color looks like. That was everything that I got in my nail kit, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that this video gives you like a gist of what like nail schools give to you. I know that like a lot of nail schools, they give you like different products, but for my school specifically, I believe that we're partnered with like Young Nails. So because like most of my kits is from like Young Nail products, so I believe that's why. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and subscribe, and just stay tuned for new future videos, because I know that I would be vlogging for like my nail school and all that, so just stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye loves.